on the subject of how is society going to benefit from curing aging, um, I saw a documentary a few months ago called A Life on This Planet, narrated by 94-year-old David Attenborough. And I was actually stunned by the amount of knowledge in this guy's head, okay, that have these ideas and thoughts that have been formulated for 94 years and are being expressed. And I reminded myself of something that Aubrey de Grey one time told me, and that's that every time a person dies, the amount of information in a person's head is equivalent, that is lost, is equivalent to the Library of Congress. So it's an immense amount of loss. And boy, I thought, boy, we're watching David Attenborough. He might try to pass on his knowledge to other people, but very few people are going to pick it up. And it's going to be a terrible loss if David Attenborough dies. He's 94 years old now. Likely he could die soon. But if we could keep him going, I just can't imagine what ideas could come out of that mind of his. And that's the kind of stuff we need to do. We need to keep people like David Attenborough and others that are really good thinkers and problem solvers to really keep going and not shut them down from old age and death. But that's the benefit to curing aging, the benefit to society.